Kung baguhan ka sa network marketing, ito ang video na para sa'yo. Pag-usapan natin, ano yung 7 bagay na kailangan na matutunan ng bawat bagong network marketer. Sigurado ako excited ka sa nasimulan mong negosyo. Sigurado ako na marami kang mga duda. Ano bang sisimulan ko? Paano ako magsisimula? Ano mga kailangan ko i-consider? I hope itong video na to makatulong sa'yo para mas mapabilis yung resulta na desired mo sa business na to. Ang pinakauna, be the avid fan of your product or service. Bakit napakalaga nito at napaka-basic nito? Dahil maniwala kayo sa akin sa experience ko, maraming nagsa-sign up na halos hindi man na nila binuksan yung package nila or binenta lang nila, hindi sila nagtira para sa sarili nila. Kailangan ikaw mismo yung uminom ng product o mag-avail ng service na ibebenta mo or binebenta mo. Because that's what network marketing is. Kung hindi mo pa napanood yung first ko na video na ginawa o yung previous na video na ginawa ko, doon ko pinaliwanag yung definition ng network marketing. It's a system of moving product from fractional to the consumer. Now, pero kailangan ikaw mismo yung umiinom kasi yung belief mo, ipapasa mo yun sa mga customers mo. At saka isang bagay pa, it will give you more certainty. At saka it will give you more confidence na tamang naging decision mo na sinimulan mo yung network marketing business mo sa kumpanya na pinili mo ngayon. Ikalawa, focus most of your time in bringing people to presentation. Maraming mga activities na ginagawa mo sa network marketing business mo right now. Either may mga meetings, may mga team building, may mga one-on-one mentoring, may pupunta dito, may pupunta doon, may papanood dito, may papanood doon. These are good things because it creates a good community for you. It creates a good accountability for you. Nakikilala mo yung ibang tao. Alam mo yung maraming mga activities no? Natututo ka. Pero ang pinaka-major activity na kailangan tutukan mo sa network marketing business mo ay magdala ng mga clients sa presentation. Again, very basic siya. Pero nakikita ko maraming mga bagong network marketers that they are majoring on minor things. Example, they focus more on listening to trainings and buong araw na lang sila narinig na training pero hindi naman sila nag-invite. Kaya pinapaalahanan ko ang lahat, kung bago ka sa network marketing at gusto mo makausad yung business mo, ang pinakamalagang gawin mo talaga is magdala ng mga clients sa presentation. By the way, when I say magdala ng clients sa presentation, hindi ko sinabi na pilitin mo sila mag-join. Hindi ko sinabi na kailangan puwersahin mo sila mag-join. Ang ibig ko lang sabihin, make sure na in a day or in a week, you have an number of people na na-educate sila about the product or opportunity na ina-offer mo. Number 3, don't neglect expanding your customers. O, di ba may package ka? Di ba may products ka or may service ka? Kailangan wag mo ine-neglect yung part na sinishare mo yung products mo sa iba. Because there are other strategies na hindi na to pinapansin. Ang gagawin lang, example, bumili ng package. Yung package na binili, halos ikaw lang nag-consume, which is kailangan magtira ka din para sa mga customers mo. Kailangan magtira ka rin para dun sa mga tao na pwede mong share na maging potential na maging recurring buyer mo. And that's one thing I love about network marketing. A lot of people accuse network marketing na puro lang daw recruitment, which is kasi hindi na naintindihan na yung recruitment part ng network marketing because you're building a big organization that is using small amount of products. That's what Eric Worre said. And there's nothing wrong in recruitment as long as win-win ang situation ninyo ng client mo at saka ikaw. Pwedeng manalo ka, pwedeng manalo siya. Both of you can win together. Hindi pwede na nanalo ka, tapos pero kailangan matalo siya. That's not how network marketing works. Kasi nang inaisip ng karamihan para manalo ka sa business to, kailangan maraming matalo. Hindi totoo yun. The thing that I love about this industry, that I've been here for 10 years ang industry na to, nanalo ka at nanalong mga teammates mo. Pero on the other hand, kailangan as well, nag-e-expand ka ng mga customers mo. Because recurring orders can also sustain your business long term. Number 4, find time for personal growth. Okay, hindi ako against sa personal growth nung sinabi ko sa first point Baka isipin niyo, baka nag-training lang ako, attend ako ng mga course sa mga events, baka hindi to yung tamang oras ito yung tamang paglalaan ng oras. Hindi ko sinabi yon. Pero kailangan mag-alaan ka talaga ng oras na nurture yung mind mo, na nurture yung positivity mo, na nurture yung perspective about business, natututo ka ng bagong principles, or natututo ka ng mga bagong tactics or strategy, or nare-refresh ka ng mga tactics or strategy na tinuro na sa'yo. Personal growth I believe, is one of the blessings ng network marketing. Bakit ko sinabi yun? Sabi ng isang top earner, sabi niya, network marketing is personal development wrapped in a business. Bakit niya sinabi yun? Kasi, you will never move up into the next level of your business kung hindi mo masettle yung doubt mo. Kung hindi natin masettle yung fear natin. Kung hindi natin masettle yung unbelief natin. Kung hindi natin masettle yung laziness natin. Kung hindi natin masettle yung hindi tayo marunong mag-systematize ng oras natin. Having personal growth and constant exposure to content, trainings, material, people that can help you to move up into the next level of your business is a must in network marketing. Kung ano ako right now, it all because of the exposures that I have into this industry. Kaya I'm forever grateful into network marketing business. Number 5, don't take rejection personally. Gusto ko lang sabihin to kasi most of the time, sobrang taas na expectation mo na itong taong ito magjo-join to sa akin. Itong taong to magbi-build kasama ko. Itong taong to bibili sa akin ito. Itong taong to susuportahan ako. Itong upline ko susuportahan ako. Then, you end up na itong mga expectations mo hindi nangyari. You get frustrated and most people quit because their expectations are not met into this business. Or some of them has been exposed to too much rejection na hindi sila sanay. Kaya sabihin ko na sa inyo right now, that rejection, wag mo iti-take personally yan. Alam niyo, ito yung magandang analogy ng kaibigan ko. Sabi niya sa akin, sabihin natin na may anak ka. Yung anak mo, pinapakain mo ng ampalaya. Tapos pinapakain, kasi alam mo, healthy yung ampalaya. Pinakain mo ng ampalaya yung anak mo. Tapos, sabi ng anak mo, ayaw kumain ng ampalaya. Ang tanong lang is, nung nag-no ba yung anak mo sa'yo, nag-no siya ba sa'yo dahil hindi ka niya mahal? Or dahil ayaw niya lang ng ampalaya? Well, bilang parent, na-realize ko na nag-no siya kasi ayaw niya. Diba? Hindi dahil sa ayaw niya sa akin. Most people in network marketing, when they share the opportunity and they get rejected, they feel like, pinipersonal ako eh. Parang gano'n. Ayaw kasi ako ng kaibigan ko. Hindi totoo yun. It's just that ayaw lang nila mag-join for now. Possible na mag-join sa'yo 3 months, 6 months, 12 months from now. But it does not mean na ayaw kanila in person. So they don't take it personally. Every time people say no to you, or every time people na nagsisin zone sa'yo, or in-inbox zone ka, hindi talaga binasa yung message mo. Diba? Sabi nga nila, no, merong isang old and classic quote, some will, some won't, so what? Because someone else is waiting. Next. Number 6, this is not recruit to retire forever. Maraming buong join sa network marketing, they look at it as a retirement plan. So, ang gagawin nila, they will attempt to recruit maybe 2 people, 4 people, 6 people, 8 people. At pag hindi nag-join ng mga taong to, o pag nag-join na to, ayaw na nila, hindi nila pinabayaan na nila, nag-stop na sila mag-recruit, nag-stop na sila mag-sponsor, nag-stop na sila mag-sign up ng mga tao, then they see a decline into their business, they see a decline in their organization, then they get discouraged. Which is the truth is, one of the main factor to grow and expand your business is constantly sponsoring or recruiting or signing up people into your organization. There's an old saying that says, new blood is the lifeblood of your organization. Kaya ang pinaka-best way is to create a system of recruitment into your business. So don't ever think na dalawa lang yung isa-sign up ko. If you sign up 2, congratulations. If you sign up 4, congratulations. If you sign up 6, congratulations. And make sure these people na matutulungan mo rin sila kung paano nila gawin yung business as well. But at the same time, ikaw mismo, in your personal business, kailangan may mentality ka and mindset ka na constantly expanding and reaching out and building more people into your organization hanggang magugulat ka na lang na tuloy-tuloy na yung leverage income mo sa business na to. And lastly, be system conscious. Anong ibig sabihin, Gerald, ng system conscious? Pwede kasing bara-bara ang paggawa ng business. Pwede kasing excitement lang ang nagpapatakbo ng business mo right now. Pero you have to understand that in any other business, network marketing is not an exception. Kailangan lagyan mo ng sistema. Otherwise, you will be an employee of your own business. Ibig kong sabihin, kailangan may system in place ka na tatakbo yung business mo when time comes na kailangan mo ng oras, kung darating yung oras na kailangan mo ng oras sa pamilya mo, di ba? Kung darating yung oras na kailangan mo muna one step backward, pwedeng tumakbo yung business mo without your presence. Pero it will only happen kung may sistemang nakalatag sa negosyo mo. With all that said, meron akong training na ginawa, and this is a course for every network marketer. This is not specific lang sa kung anong company. Ang pangalan is Pinoy Network Marketer Success Blueprint. Okay, so ang design ng course na ito is for everyone na gustong malaman ng bagong tactics, specifically for digital era, or for those people who wanted to upgrade their learnings. And you would be surprised how much this course is. I want you to check the link below. Tingnan mo dito kung applicable siya sa'yo and makakatulong siya sa'yo. But anyway, I'll be creating consistent free content dito para sa mga network marketers sa tulad mo, and ako naniniwala, in this industry, and naniniwala rin ako sa kakayahan mong umasenso. And again, if yung first time mong network marketer, congratulations for that decision. Congratulations sa simula ng journey mo. And naway, yung mga content na ginagawa natin, makatulong sa'yo.